No, it's okay. Okay, setting up email service on the Rice Lake scale truck. Opening interchange to start with. Okay. So open interchange and then connect to the Rice Lake indicator. Default address 192.168.11. Port 10001. Uploaded. Click on transactions and then upload. Takes this long even if you have 10,000 transactions.
Well, at least it doesn't get longer.
Yeah, it won't. Okay. Database.
Tools?
You'll start it. Yeah, export job wizard. Tools. Okay. And then we go to TCP IP. Type in a target address of the computer. This being a laptop. No, the scale, sorry.
Of the scale.
Scale indicator. 10,001. Next. Click on the memory card transaction file. Next. And then you can send it as a Excel. Create a directory on the desktop. Automatically names it. Next. Send as an email. Create an address. Next. Create a shortcut on the desktop. That's easier to run it later. Okay, just a little summary, and then we name the shortcut. Test mail, save. Okay, and then we can shut her down and then open up the shortcut, and that executes it right there. And then we should have.
And you wait a long time.
Wait like a minute or so.
Yeah.
And it should have a message. Actually, we can log into Telus Mail here. Yeah, in the meantime, Telus. If we have connection. Oh. Telus. Oh, good sound. Okay, so the message that comes up, job completed successfully. Click here for the log. And that's the log. So it saves it to a file on the computer as well as the email sent, which is set as a
This time it was
XML.
Excel.
It's Excel, perfect. I don't know if it's CO or if it's XML. I think it was XML, right?
This is Excel Word.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. Okay. Excellent. So we just do the different job wizards.
And then you should have your email.
Yeah, there we go. Richmond scale. Telus.net. And then we look in. Very slowly. On a tethering?
Yeah.
Wow. I can go 18,000 more minutes.
Wow.
Thanks to the memory card. Oh, man. Crazy. Definitely my battery would run up first.